Good evening, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn It Bro. I hope you and your family members, your relative and friends, everyone is safe. Please take care of yourself and your family members during these tough times. Let's go into the video. Today we are going to see the state-wise regulations which has been decided by the state authorities. If you are traveling from one state to another state, you need to follow that particular state regulations that you need to follow if you're traveling either through by road or by train or by through flight. These regulation needs to be followed, and these are mandatory rules. If you don't follow it, then you may be not allowed to board the flight, or there may be additional conditions which would be required post arrival in that particular state. So you need to follow the state wise regulations for a hassle free travel. Now you can check in my screen, I have logged in goindigo.in website. It's a Indigo airline website, my dear friends. It's goindigo.in website. There is an option on the top of the website, state wise regulations. There is an option, no more. In that option you please click it. Once you have clicked that option, once you scroll down, you can find for all the states the regulations are updated by the Indigo Airlines. These regulations are updated on a daily basis by Indigo Airline. So you can refer this particular link and you can go through the state wise regulations before you plan a trip to another state. I will show you the example how to check any state you are traveling. Suppose if you are traveling to West Bengal, then you can go into the West Bengal section and there will be a down arrow key. You need to click that. If you're traveling from Tamil Nadu to West Bengal, you need to check the West Bengal formalities which you need to follow. On this website you can see, my dear friends, it is mentioned as thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. It is mandatory for passenger arriving in the state of West Bengal from other states need to carry a negative RT-PCR report within 72 hours. Within 72 hours from your departure time, you need to obtain a negative RT-PCR certificate, which is issued by a approved ICMR lab. That particular certificate you need to carry at the time of check-in at airport. And other conditions also you can scroll down and check. It is mentioned as children below 2 years are exempted from the RT-PCR test. Children below 2 years are not required. And next option, it is mentioned as passenger traveling in case of death shall be required to undergo testing upon arrival at their own cost. Exemption to be applied to this particular email ID. You need to send an email for exemption to undergo test at arrival. And below it is mentioned transit passengers are exempted. For transit passengers, it is not required. If you are traveling from West Bengal to some other state, if you are taking a transit, then it is not required. And other details you can check. Quarantine. Passenger arriving without RT-PCR negative report in the state of West Bengal shall be subject to 14 days institutional quarantine. If you are traveling without a RT-PCR negative certificate, then you need to undergo 14 days institutional quarantine. And next you can check the other obligations. The traveler must download Arogya Setu app, and all passenger must fill up and submit declaration from using Sandane app developed by H&FW Department of West Bengal. And below the app link has been given, which you need to download and fill up your self declaration. And below, if you will scroll down, that's it, my dear friends. For West Bengal, these all formalities needs to be followed, which you can refer in this particular website. Next option I will show you for Telangana also. Telangana, there is no such formalities which is required. So for all the states, you can check this particular website and you can go through the list of states mentioned in the website, and you can share this information to your friends who is in need. Suppose they are traveling from one state to another. All the state information has been mentioned. Please refer this website. I will give you this link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thanks a lot. Thank you.